chronic cough can have a devastating impact on your everyday life. People who cough avoid time with family and friends, stop exercising and going out in public, have to work from home in the fear of the next coughing episode, even stop laughing and talking altogether to avoid triggering cough. Unfortunately, chronic coughers share a lot of these experiences, but you're not alone. Join our community here at CoughPro to learn about chronic cough and connect with those who share and understand your experience.